Well, top of the morning. Morning 2 for us, but morning 1 in the woods. And yeah, nice day. You could tell it's windy out there. We're protected back here. And we're just having some bacon and eggs, McMuffin, before we head out for a little bit of a paddle and then get blown out and come back to the camp. Yeah, nice little spot back here, but well protected. But again, you can't see Georgian Bay from here, so we're gonna go out and have a look. The shuttle guy is picking us up on Saturday, and he wanted a better spot than where he dropped us off in case of rough weather. So he says there's he said the M&R building. I think he means Ontario Parks building. So it's up in the northeast part, near Gun Barrel, or through Gun Barrel, I think. So we're going to investigate that after coffee and bacon and stuff like that. Right. Andy, this is a marvelous kitchen set. It's beautiful. I'm not bending down on a rock. What song you're going to have in our heads all day today when we're paddling?
It's a Teenage Dirtbag song. I think it's, the band might be Wheatus or something like that. And
I know the song, but not the band. Yeah.
Man.
One hit wonder?
Yeah, perhaps. It's just funny how you're out here and all of a sudden, earworm.
Dream about her, she rings my bell. I got gym class in half an hour. Oh, how she rocks in kids and tube socks. But she doesn't know who I am, and she doesn't give a damn about me. 'Cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Yeah, I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Listen to Iron Maiden, baby, with me.
I don't know if you can hear that in the back, but those are crashing waves out in Georgian Bay. We're out in the calm part, but man, we just saw the caps from a distance, and it's crazy out there. Wow, totally different in here.
Trouble, stay away from my door. Trouble, stay away from my door. Trouble, come back, don't come around no more. Trouble, stay away from my door. Never stay away from my home. Never stay away from my home. Never go on back and leave my soul alone. Never stay away from my home. Never come around me no more. Never come around me no more. Never go on back and walk on out the door. Never come around me no more. Set and keep me free from your spell. Set and keep me free from your spell. Set and go on back unto the gates of hell. Set and keep me free from your spell.
Well, weather's changed a bit, and not for the better. But we're down this channel to the, what's the channel called, Andy?
Coral Channel.
Coral Channel. We thought we'd go down it to see, because at the other end there was supposedly an old shipwreck from the early 1900s. But yeah, it's a dead end. We thought for sure boats would be able to get through here, but I mean we can lift right over, but we're not. We're going back, just trying different channels. And the biggest one is the gun barrel, and you can tell the bigger boats go through there to get through the island instead of around the island. And it is shaped like the barrel of a gun. Right. There are a few camps, private land camps along the way in that channel, but overall, not many. And we saw two big boats today. I wouldn't call them yachts, I would just call them big boats, right?
Yeah, big.
Yes. One boat waved and said hello to us, the others ignored us. Just saying. Just saying.
The trees, they are singing to the tune of a song, and the wind is gently ringing the bell that brings the morning, the welcome of the dawn. The voice of the robin, the call of the dove, the red leaves are falling, the barn owl is calling, the welcome of the dawn.
Really rough at the point, no way we're going around it. So we're gonna try to avoid it. Wow, look at it there.
Thursday night, mainly cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Wind south 20 kilometers per hour, low 9. Friday, cloudy with 70% chance of showers, high 15. Friday night, cloudy with 30% chance of showers, low 9.
The bad weather's coming in, but at the end of the day, this is not our first rodeo. Thank goodness. Saw this from my chair, and then I see him laughing. Practical jokes in the wilderness. Yeah, I'm glad you put two tarps up today. Thank you very much. But sesh? What?
A sesh, or it's basically lake effect, sloshing of water in usually larger bodies of water, like the Great Lakes, and you get shoreline flooding that can be caused by a sesh. So it's basically wind pushing the water and air pressure also pushing the water up. So it's basically out of one section of the lake into another section, like a giant bowl of water sloshing around. So when we were going through some narrow channels today, we could see current, you know, and what appeared to be current, right? Meanwhile, we're like, well, we're on a lake. Why should there be current? Well, it's that water sloshing in, or a tide, if you will. It's kind of like, it's not a tide. It's just wind and air pressure movement of water around the lake. And then we looked over there, and what was all rocks over the last day and a half is now submerged, and there's water pouring into that little bay. You can see a little rapid, you know, over that beaver dam that Beaver built, and as you know, further evidence that there's water moving around these islands. So.
That's incredible, actually, because like really, like I thought it was just like, why hasn't it rained that much? Why are we flooding in? And is that why we put the canoe up higher?
Yeah, that was a good move. and also, well, you know, the flood route and the forecasting section in Ontario, they actually set up models to predict where there will be sessions happening on the Great Lakes, and so that they can share that information as a warning if need be. So.
Lovely. Okay, sesh will be tonight. But no, we're not worried because we're on those floatable air mats that will take us out with the tide.
Yeah, we're like, oh, here we go, Kevin.
We're being seshing.
Hey, this is fun. Wait, is that Michigan?
Lovely night.
Oh, it's lovely. I like what you've done with the place.
It was a good day. Okay, we're getting cozy tonight. No mosquitoes tonight. There's a little bit of rain, a little bit of coldness, a little bit of wind, but no mosquitoes. And I looked forever for my toque, everywhere. I know I brought my toque. Where's my toque? And I go, well, I give up. I'll just wear my hooded sweater. And where was my toque is in the pocket of my hooded sweater that I wear to bed, which is a good place to put it. Okay, signing off for the night. It was good dinner, good fire, good tarp setup, Mr. Baxter, to weather the storm.
Yeah, I might need another one tomorrow.
I know. We're here for a while. You brought an extra book, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll read it to you.
It sounds like a plan. Good night.